Hey there, welcome back to TurnNShave. It's time for a Monday shave. Today we're gonna do a little bit of some different stuff. First of all, the soap is gonna be a classic one. This is Michel's Wool Fat Original 1893 formula with natural lanolin. This is not a new formula. This is the oldest one. The older one, which is discontinued. The newest one is with palm oil instead of tallow, as far as I have understand. I have not tried that. People struggle to lather Michel's. I don't. I really enjoy that soap. It's really slick. I once had a bad puck, but that was probably down to some control issues. So I have no problem at all with my one. It's soaking in the ceramic bowl just now. We're gonna make the lather with my TurnNShave. Look at this beautiful pour. Really nice ice color to it. It has a 26mm quartermoon synthetic knot. And razor. I don't think I have shown this one on the channel before. It's a Gillette Black Tip. It's a W3, which means this one is produced in 1951. So the black tips came out before the trio of blue, flare and red, as far as I have understood, and there are different kinds of them. This one was produced in 1951 and it has an aluminum handle. And the head is of nickel, so it's really head heavy. Inside I got a second use feather blade. This is in really good condition, by the way, so we will use that. Okay, I'm just gonna empty out my soap dish. There we have the puck there. And then we're gonna wet the brush. I have never made a Michel's Wool Fat lather before with a water mist bottle. I have always dipped my brush, so this will be the first time trying out that. So hopefully that will go good. One thing I find with Michel's is it's wise to load heavy. So that is what we're doing, loading down here. And of course, a synthetic brush is more of a no-brainer than a natural hair brush. But I can make an also Michel Wool Fat lather with whatever kind of brush. Nonetheless, no problem with a bachelor war. So hope you're all having a good Monday. Nice start of the week. I've been home today with the youngest one who had a fever, so he couldn't go to the kindergarten. I thought it was starting to get better, but when we measured him in the afternoon again, the fever was quite high. So I will be home tomorrow with him as well. Starting to get exhausted in my hand. Let's see where we're at. Starting to, I think we will try to go with that. It should be enough. Scooping off the foam, because that's how Michel's Wool Fat behaves. It starts off like some airy, foamy stuff, and you have to beat it into submission. Just gonna rinse off the bowl, the dish. You can hold it wherever you want to. Really slick stuff. It's hard to rinse off the fingers. And then you go. You really need to add in water gradually with Michel's Wool Fat. Oops. It starts out airy and it's dissipating, but just paint that. I'm just painting now, not spraying or introducing any more water. You want to beat out those air bubbles. Just painting, really dry brush, and you can see this is really dry and pasty. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water, paint in that, and I'm just painting until it thickens up again. Yeah, Mission Solution is a little bit of strange soap, but it's really good. If you haven't tried it, you should. That was a little bit much water at once, I think. No, it's taking it. No problem. When the lather stops sticking up while I'm painting, I know it's time to spray the brush. Yeah, it takes some more time than a modern artisanal soap, but it's kind of nice. I really enjoy this process. Now it's time to spray, I think. Just gonna beat out as much of the air as I can beforehand. And then it's time to work it. Just change up with swirling, scrubbing and painting. Look. Starting to get more creamy. Still matte, gonna need more water. this good stuff. It produces a voluminous kind of lather. Really creamy. But this can easily take more water. Look, into the building. Look. This is one fantastic Michel's Woolfat lather. I know there's so many bubbles there, but it's really good. I could have worked it even more, and I could possibly got even more water to it, but this seems really great. It's slick, it's shiny, it's where I want it. Alright, first pass with this 60, 73 or in older 11, I can't talk tonight, 73-year-old razor. First pass with the grain, 1 day of growth. Really kind of a mild razor, suits up well with a feather. It's light. Shaving wise, it reminds of a blue tip, a super speed blue tip that is. For those of you who have tried that. But it's super smooth. It has a little bit different kind of balance point, so I'm not used to that. I did buy this razor from a fellow Norwegian wet shaver. For my vintage Gillette collection. It sure shaves good. Really slick soap. And Michel's Woolfat has incredibly residual slickness. Yeah, I have always enjoyed this soap. From the very first time I tried one and got it to lather, which I didn't with the first puck I got. Look at that brush, it's caked in lather. You're not gonna go anywhere. It's not the best lather I've ever made with Mitchell's, but it sure holds up quite good. A little bit drier now for the second pass, but that's okay. Really sore still under my nose from allergies. I'm gonna go really easy there. I also cut a little mole I got there yesterday. Hopefully that will not start to bleed. Was on the beach yesterday, really hot weather, really high humidity. We were at 90 degrees Fahrenheit. I did swim, beautiful in the water now, around 69-70 degrees Fahrenheit. I would say 68-69. I'm not quite sure about the official measurements, but it felt nice, yet refreshing, as it always is at the first dip. This is really thick, really pasty, but you're gonna shave it nonetheless. I don't have any plans to mess more around with the lather. Really light here, really sore skin. You avoid that mole. I have a scab there that has almost come off. I think we're up for a smooth close shave. Brilliant razors, those old Gillettes. I really enjoy them. All of them. All of the ones I get in my collection. I got quite a few vintage ones these days. I think I'm counting somewhere around 15, 17 razors. Vintage, that is. Gillettes. All of them being made in the US apart from one English one, the British Gillette number 58, which to be honest is kind of a British made aristocrat. Really beautiful, good shaver. Wow. This stuff is so incredibly slick. It feels like you have put oil on your face. We're gonna try to rinse it off with cold water. And that's another place where this soap shines. It's the incredible post-shave feel you get from it. It's off the charge good. After I have used Mitchell's Wool Fat, my skin feels moist. We're gonna have a burn tonight. Fine snake bite. Good stuff, and pure water, menthol, and a lot of alcohol, so this will probably burn a lot. Good dose. Oh yeah. Especially under my nose. And here comes the menthol. Love this stuff. It's quite warm here today as well, so this felt relieving. Let's see how much lather is left over in the brush. A lot there. Could easily done a 4 pass and pickups. Nice feeling. Little weeper on the lip. The quartermoon knot from Milton over the TurnNShave is a really densely packed synthetic knot, so it requires some work to rinse it out completely. And I'm quite picky with my brushes, so I really want to make sure there's no soap left in that knot when I have set my brush to the side to dry. I want to know it's free of soap. Wow. That was a really close 3-pass shave. We're gonna finish off with a really good balm I was sent from the kind people over at Pearl Shaving. This is Pearl Man Post Shave Lotion. It has a really minimal ingredients list, which you can see. I think it's too small to see it. Yeah, the camera doesn't pick that up. Check it out, it's quite milky. I have reviewed it once before. It's really good for dry skin. Yeah, it has a fresh, subtle scent. And it will match up with pretty much anything, I think. Yeah, I also have have a little cut in another mole over here. But I seldom let my skin rest for more than 1 day without shaving, and then it's fast on to cut it back open. That's just how it is. Alright, that mantle in that snake bite is sure strong, and I do enjoy it. Right, let's do a quick recap of this really successive shave. We did Mitchell's wool fat, which I haven't visited in quite some time. It was a nice shave. The brush was my stunning custom-made brush from Milton over at TurnNShave, and it sports the 26mm quartermoon synthetic knot. Razor was a vintage Gillette, the Gillette Black Tip from 1951, a W3. And we finish it off the shave with some snakebite and Balm aftershave lotion. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and until my next video, goodbye.